How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. Let's show you on how you can do easy reset in your MSI laptop. Now, before you do this, make sure that your device is turned off in order to reset or easy. And I'm going to refer to the official application, or basically the official manual for our laptop devices. So the thing that I'm talking about is going to be the battery reset tool, which is going to be this one. Now, of course, for different models, it's going to be on different certain locations, but whenever the system firmware EC is upgraded or the system hangs, you want to please turn off the notebook, remove the AC power, use a straight-headed paper clip, and insert it to this hole for around 10 seconds. From there, connect the AC power and then power on the notebook itself. So in some other cases, it's going to be right here. It's going to be this hole right here. And it's going to be this one. And lastly, this one. So just make sure that you hold press this reset button once again for around 10 seconds. And from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.